Hey guys, it's Cassandra72 and I'm coming to you with an unboxing. So it is my first Erin Condren. And the box is kind of beat up. Now, it's not the first Erin Condren that I have ever gotten, but package that I've ever gotten, because I have purchased the seasonal surprise boxes, which actually helped with this box because I had enough points accumulated to get $10 off. Yes. But yeah, I finally took the plunge and got an actual Erin Condren planner. Now, it's not the life planner or whatever that that most people generally have, because you know, there's a certain planner that I still like, which I won't mention in this video because it's my Erin Condren. But yeah, I thought that, you know, they were too expensive, way out of my price point, what have you. But like I said, and then I messed around and set up an account without ever like using someone's affiliate link, and I didn't have the $10 off, and that I think would help. And then I was under the impression that every time that you personalize something on the Erin Condren site, it was more money. But I don't know if it was glitching or what, but you guys are going to see in just a little bit that I was able to personalize this for me, and it didn't cost any extra. And I'm like, what? Score? And I just remembered something and got super excited about it, and then said, oh, maybe I should have waited because, and I'll explain that in a second when you guys see how I personalized it. But then again, you know, I couldn't wait. I'm one of those instant gratification people, and I have to thank Miss Planning and Praying for this little situation right here, because I always said, well, I didn't need an Erin Condren. So, but then I saw her over on her channel using hers for budget, which she said that she got from Jane's Diary. So yeah, all of them, they to blame for this right here. But with shipping, I think I got this to me for $34.95. So let's just get into it. So it says enjoy. So you get a stay up box. Out my way. I'm trying to do this. Okay. So it says enjoy. So we have like a tube from a little gift, a sticker, I think. I've gotten some of these, and it's a sticker. You guys can see that there. So it's like a little gift label that I'll be able to use. And then it says, what you're looking for is not out there, it's in you. I love that. And it's actually a postcard, which I love. And I probably should send. I used to love getting postcards in the mail. Sidebar. But yeah, that is so cute. I guess it actually that has a return address and kindly delivered too. So I guess it could just be used as like a label for mailing your package. But yeah, it's a postcard. That is so neat. But I'm loving this, and it's probably gonna find its way into my planner as a little journaling card. Yeah. All right. So it says enjoy, and I know that I shall. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's not, so I knew what size it was, because I could have gotten a bigger one, but I love this. This is the size of my regular other planner. And I love it. I love purple, you guys. Can you see that? Okay, there we go. She designed a life she loved. Sassy Saving Sister. That's my Instagram, and it's my 2019 budget planner, and I love this. Oh my God. And then we got a catalog here. Oop, 20% off. I can't show you that, guys, that code. Yeah. Okay. So it says see page 8 for details. But yeah, it's like a little newsletter. yeah, so this is neat. All right, tips and tricks and testimonials, but that's not what we're here for. So let's get this box out of my way and back to the plant. Like I said, guys, real life. This needs to be clean, but whatever. Oh, this is so lovely. I do not think these covers come off, do they? Oh yeah, covers come off. So yes, I can interchange it, but I won't. And here's like a little note section or whatever. And I guess I could use like the wet erase markers. I learned that from At Home with Keita. That dry erase markers generally, you could use that, but it's going to smear. So she uses like a wet erase situation. So that's the next thing I'm looking forward to getting. So I got the monthly deluxe planner. That's what mine is. And I was able, oh yeah, I thought that I got the neutral because when I was searching for, you know, the one that I wanted to get, everything was sold out in those original color schemes or designs, I guess, that I was looking at. And then ultimately I found this one because what I was looking for was something that I could basically design myself as far as the colorways went, you know. And so yeah, I'm a purple girl and I love this. So, and I remember that all of the colorful ones were yeah, all of the colorful ones were sold out. So yeah, this is my planner, and I chose for it to start in November. And so what we have here is just, oh, it does give you a monthly overview, and then basically just note pages. But like I said, this is what I'll be using, and I want to, and I'm just doing all this name dropping. I think Shea Budgets also uses a monthly deluxe planner for hers. And like I said, I don't think it's the neutral colorway, but it's not a whole lot of color. And I actually don't have any type of packaging slip or anything. Whoops, again, real life. You guys probably heard that. So anyway, not editing any of that out. All right, so I love it though. What you seek is seeking you. I love it. I'm loving it. Live what you love. Okay, I guess I should go back because I just looked at January. What did November have to say? Go the extra mile. It's never crowded. Your life is a story. Write well and edit often. I love that. And then we already saw the January tab. February, live what you love. I think I said that. Everything you can imagine is real. Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. Create your own sunshine. That's June. That's my birth month, guys. Nothing worth having was ever achieved without effort. Forget the mistakes. Remember the lessons. I kind of live by that already. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. If a plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. And that is October, and that is where it ends. But then I have notes. Okay, so we have 2020. So some forward planning that you can do. And then on to the notes. Arriving at one goal is the start of another. Oh, I love it. And then we have more just notes pages. And we have some stickers I'm seeing. Okay, loving that. And then, ooh. Oh, okay. We got a nice other folder. That's interesting. That would be in this color pattern. But again, you design your own colorway, so maybe that's the way it would have looked in the original version. Okay, whatever. And then on the back is another blank space for you to, you know, write goals, lists, what have you. And then the pièce de résistance for me, I added my baby on the back. Oh, you see me. I don't want to see me, but it's about this baby right here. This baby. That's my gorgeous daughter. And that is her picture from the 7th grade last year. She's in the 8th. But, yes, I love that because it is a budget planner to get my life in order for me and that little baby right there. All right. Okay, you guys, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, until the next video, peace and blessings.